Welcome back to my channel. My name is Nakaya. I know you've been searching for a glamorous nail look that you can create at home, but for the low, stay tuned so that you can learn how to get this look. This is my current nail set. This is my setup for press-ons at the moment. And let me show you everything I'm using today. So this is the Beetles medium stiletto tips. They are full coverage tips, lint-free nail wipes, sheer pink gel nail polish, glitter gel nail polish, base coat, top coat, acetone. You'll need a nail buffer, a nail file, and a nail sanding tool. In just a moment, you'll see why you need that nail sanding tool. This is the set that's getting soaked off, and she was cute. I'm sure I'll recreate her again soon. So to start, you're going to want to size your nails. I already have my nail sizes written down for this particular style, but go ahead and size your nails. Once you've completed your nail sizing, you can go ahead and buff the inside of each nail tip. This is going to help the nail tip adhere to your nails a lot longer. Let me tell you one thing, I've had this silver nail set on since November the 6th. Today is November the 12th and they're coming off today, but no green nail or anything. And it's partially because I have buffed the inside of the nail tip. So once you've finished buffing the inside of each individual nail tip, you go ahead and buff the outside very lightly of each individual nail tip. And this is what it's going to look like. You want the base gel to adhere to your nails so that your polish stays on. So make sure that you evenly and lightly buff out the nail tips. Don't forget to buff out the tabs at the end of the nail as well. And you can use a little bit of acetone to remove the dust from each nail. Apply the base gel flush to the nail tip so that you don't get lumpy polish underneath your colored polish. Cure for the recommended amount of time. The reason why my UV lamp looks so messy is because it's about like 14 years old. With your first layer of pink gel nail polish, you're also going to apply it flush to the nail tip so that it doesn't get lumpy underneath the top coat. You're going to keep repeating this technique for each layer of the colored gel that you're wanting to use on the nail tip. I am applying the glitter gel polish at an angle that I feel suits the medium stiletto nail the best. One thing to keep in mind is that the glitter is going to kind of leave a harsh line on the nail. So for that instance, you would take the brush with the glitter on it and you would kind of scrub back and forth just a little bit so that you create more of an ombre and not a harsh line. Now pay attention to this step. This is where I am going to scrub a little bit of that line to give it that ombre effect. And I'm just using the glitter that's already on the brush to do so. When it comes to fading glitter, I feel like this is the best technique, but if there's a different technique that I should be using, let me know down in the comments. When I wore these nails out, men and women were complimenting my nails. And I was like, you know what? Maybe I should just drop the tutorial because people are not believing that these are press-ons. I'm just buffing out the line of glitter a little bit so that when I apply the top coat, it goes on smooth. I would just say consider using builder gel instead. This is my last step, which is the top coat. If you'd like to add something interesting like 3D nail art, now's the time. Or if you want to add like some pearls or some gemstones to your nails, my best recommendation would be to use the nail rhinestone glue to adhere any of the nail art that you want to get on the nail before you seal it with top coat. Once you're ready to apply your top coat, just maneuver it around the rhinestones because getting it on top of the rhinestones is going to eliminate any ounce of shine that the rhinestones have. This is how my nails turned out, and this is what you should expect unless you're adding nail art to your nails. Earlier in the video, I mentioned that this is one of my favorite nail sets to complete, and it really is because it's simple, it looks elegant, and it doesn't take much time to complete. I have my nail sizes written down to make it go quicker as well. That's all for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Till next time.